Hello. I'm back. I'm saying like all words in 2s and 3s. I feel like that's the way to go. Okay, so today I am going to share one of my favorite things because I have very, very dry skin. I'm going to share with you my favorite moisturizers in my experience, testing everything out, body butters, and I know what works the best. So take it from me because Tiffany Whaley knows. So I'm going to start with, I guess this is my favorites of 2018. And I'm going to keep on using them until I find a new favorite, which is probably not going to happen for some of these. Alright, so I'm going to start with the first, and I absolutely love this. I started using it, I guess, last year, and it's simple, but it's Aquaphor. And so I use this. I just finally bought a big bottle of it because I go through it like crazy. But I use this for everything. I use it as a chapstick. It's like my favorite chapstick because it stays on your lips forever. And I also use it on my eyebrows. And I swear to you, I feel like it makes them grow. But what I'll do if I'm going out or really just every day, I will take Aquaphor and I will gloss my eyebrows with it. And if I've already got product on it, then I just barely go over it where it won't really hurt anything. But I slick them with this and it just makes them glossy. I feel like it brings the color into your, eyebrows. I love it. I've got my brother onto it, which he would kill me for saying that, but he's on TV a lot. He works for Barrett Jackson, and I got him onto it, so he does that now. Okay, another favorite of mine for my face. This is probably the richest one that I have. It's about $10 if you get it online. You can get it at Target, but it's the Weleda Skin Food. And it's a very thick cream, and I love it because it will keep my hands moisturized. I keep this on my bedside, but it's a very thick consistency. It has lots of good things in it, but look how thick this is. And it smells amazing. I can't exactly explain it, but it has essential oils in it, which is what it smells like. It's just amazing. And the next thing that I have is another favorite lip balm. This is by Glossier. This is the rosebalm.com. I've mentioned it before. It is beautiful. It works kind of like Aquaphor, but it's beautiful because it has a little bit of a tint to it. So it's just glossy and it stays on for a really long time. The next thing that I'm on to, and I used it all last year, was the Ceramide Cream from Dr. Jart. This stuff, it's amazing. It also is a thick consistency. It's great for your skin in the wintertime. It's very moisturizing. And honestly, out of all the masks that I've ever bought, my favorite is the Ceramide mask by Dr. Jart. I can see the biggest difference in my skin after I wear it. And it just looks like it fills in my pores. It's just like, I don't know if it's the hydration and if it plumps everything, but it just looks amazing. The next moisturizer that I love, I feel like this doesn't last as long though, so I put it on at night, but then I also put something over it. But it's the Protini Polypeptide Cream from Drunk Elephant. And this stuff is really good. I also like the packaging because it will keep your product stable because you're just pumping it out as you need it, and it's not exposed to light, so it's not going to oxidize or break any of the ingredients down. And then my favorite little cocktail that I make for my skin is the Sea Berry Moisturizing Oil, and then I mix it with the moisturizing balm, and these two together it's amazing. It's just like a mask, but it will, you know, you can keep it on your face and it will keep you moisturized all day long. And another that I absolutely love is the Laneige Lip Sleeping Mask. And this will last forever. It's a solid form, but whenever you take it out, it will melt into your lips, and it's just like heaven on your lips. I'm gonna put some of that on too. Okay, and then of course I love my Sicily Black Rose Tea Mask and my Black Rose Skin Infusion Cream. I bought this for Christmas for myself. Merry Christmas to me. And these are phenomenal, and I think the reason why is because when you use rose in any product, that's why rose oil is so expensive, because it takes 1,000 drops, 1,000 petals to make 1 drop of rose oil. So that's why it's so expensive. And the properties that roses have for your skin are just amazing. And you can really tell the difference whenever you use a Sicily product. They're very expensive, but like I said, it has the rose factor, you know, the rose in it, so of course it's going to make it a little more pricey. So the final thing that I want to share with you is that these are great, and I use these all the time. And another thing that I've started doing, I guess I've been doing it for years, but I'm sharing it with you this time, and I always make variations of this, but I use it on my skin, on my face, and my body. And when you think about it, whenever you make your own products at home, like, it's gonna save you money because you're not paying a brand, and it's gonna be special to you because you made it. But in my quest for my love for skincare and makeup and everything, I also, just in looking at the ingredients and everything, I think that it's important, at least for me, to research the ingredients and see what I'm putting into my skin. They say that 60% of the things that you put on your face is goes to your bloodstream. So I want to make sure that the products I'm using are safe and natural, and a lot of times, I would say almost all the time, most of the ingredients that are in your skincare and your lotions are ingredients that can be natural, and or there's a way for them to work on the natural spectrum instead of using all the chemicals. So I use Amazon to purchase a lot of my products. And then some of the oils that I have are collected over the years from Young Living, from Amazon, and then the pharmacy for the vitamin E capsules. So I just, in a double broiler that I make myself, because I don't have a double broiler, I just use this, and I boil 2 inches of water in the bottom of a pan. And then I put this unrefined cocoa butter, and I put the unrefined shea butter, and these are from the Better Shea Butter Company. This is not sponsored because I'm not that big, and I'm just sharing what I love and what I've been using. And then I put just like a tablespoon of the beeswax pastels, which you can make your own chapsticks, you can make your own lotions and things. This will make it really creamy. And so I will mix the butters together, and then I'll throw about a tablespoon of the beeswax into it. And then I take a bottle of the vitamin E capsules, and you'll have to use a little pair of scissors to open it, and then this really thick vitamin E will come out. And this is also going to be good because it will make your ingredients, will preserve them for a long time. So these creams and lotions will be good for over a year. So I take about 6 or 7 of these and put those into it, when it's melted. And then I just use a mix of oils. I always incorporate rosehip oil. You can get that from the same company. I like the baobab oil. It's good for your hair, your skin, your nails. It has A, D, E, and F, omega-3, 6, fatty acids. I use lavender from my Young Living stash. I've used marula oil from The Ordinary, and I've used coconut oil. So just really any oil that, you know, if you study up on oils and their properties, you can mix oils together and they're not going to create a problem for you. The peppermint and the spearmint I would be easy on, you know, if you want to make it calming and, you know, just I would be careful with the peppermint and the spearmint or anything minty. And then I also will mix in the sea berry moisturizing oil. And then all I do is put it all together, and then I take my mixer and I mix it all together, and then I'll put it in a jar that you can get at Walmart. These cute little jars. So it's perfect for your face, it's perfect for your body, and this is all going to keep you moisturized all winter long. So thank you so much for watching, and let me know in the comments below what are some DIYs that you do at home. Do you have any good chapstick recipes or lotion recipes? Thank you for watching. Say bye, Nagdi. Say bye. Come here. You gotta say hi. Well, you gotta say bye, but here. I don't know if you can see him, but he loves to be in videos. Oh goodness. He's gonna knock all my products off the table with his tail. I hope everybody has a great night. Thank you for watching.